These cast iron grates are 5 years old and extremely rusted. While doing some grill maintenance, links to videos in the description, I replaced these with brand new cast iron grates from a company called Uniflasy, which were almost 1/3 the price of the Weber replacement. Check those out if you're looking to save some money. After getting these installed, I wanted to understand how to properly care for these grates to prolong their life. The first step in making that happen is to always season new cast iron grates. Check out the YouTube short I made in the description. The next steps are always make sure you preheat your grill for 15 to 20 minutes to get the grates nice and hot. This will prevent food from sticking to them. And 2, always clean the grates with a brush before or after each cook. Then another tip for extending the life is where this little gadget comes in handy, a multifunctional oiler. I saw a few ads on TikTok and YouTube shorts of one of these and thought I'd try it out. No, this is not an ad or a freebie. I actually purchased this from Amazon. I thought it'd be a nice, quick, and easy way to apply oil, so let's get it cleaned up and see how well it works. Use whatever cooking oil with a high smoke point that you're used to grilling with. The most common types are vegetable and canola oil. I picked up some canola oil. My thought is this will be much easier than filling up a bowl and using a paper towel with tongs every time. That can get messy. You can just fill this thing up, leave it in the cabinet for easy access for each grill. The oiler does have a nice misty spray pattern to it. You just have to make sure you press all the way down and then let the trigger rebound back to the top. Otherwise, you'll shoot a straight line. There are no drips nor messes after use, and it does provide a quick coverage. Again, this isn't the end-all be-all for taking care of grates, but it's a nice addition to the grilling arsenal. I'll leave a link to the same one I have in the description below.